Pure Trek was one of the most incredible experiences of my life. Once they gathered us all together, I was able to make new friends with the people who were going to be in my group. And they loaded us up on these awesome trucks. We trekked through the forest all the way up to our first rappelling site. At first, when I got here, I was welcomed by open arms by the guides. I am so thrilled. That moment is a moment I will never forget. As I rappelled 165 feet down the side of a cliff that had this gorgeous waterfall going through it. So exciting. We also got to do a monkey drop. And I continued to rappel 4 more times, and it was so exciting. Something I'll never ever forget. It was more than what I could have ever expected. And I can tell you, it is the best experience of my life, and I can't recommend it enough.